Here's how to make a Pinterest board private. First, go ahead and launch your Pinterest application or go to pinterest.com and log into your account. Then after, go to your profile page and select a Pinterest board that you want to make private. Tap on this pencil icon over here and you'll get the option of keep this board secret. Go ahead and check this box beside it so that only you and your collaborators can see it. Then tap on done in the bottom, which is highlighted in red color. From this page, you can also rename your board or you can choose to delete the board. You also have 7 days to restore them in the recently deleted section, and after that, they will be permanently deleted. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.